This is very beautiful, very amazing today on the 26th of July 2023. And we must have found the oldest MP4 elevator in Finland. It's from 1930, built in 1935.
Yeah, I found this one in 2014, but
It was a bad video.
Yeah, it was a bad video, and I already forgot that this was the oldest NPM4.
But what was the address here again? Annankatu, Annankatu 4, but and Iso-Roobertinkatu, Stora-Robertsgatan 18.
Yes.
Here has against Portugal's money at Finland here. Nobody read by him. Very beautiful fibers. And the timber is 1955, built in 1935. It's only 19 years old in 2025. We'll expect it next year, 2024. And let's try to get 3 rights here. Yeah. Siinä punavoi red by him. The best is is it 4 or 3? I could see 3%.
3, yeah.
It's a bit hard. Check the call buttons.
Yeah.
I mean, the call button.
Yeah.
Why it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, very beautiful. And they have the Roman numbers on the floor, so it's even more special.
Yeah.
So the functionality is now just before the second one, right?
Yeah.
4 years before it.
Yeah.
Yes. Was it finished in 1936? Or?
Yes.
So then it's late 1935?
Yeah. Inspektiivipääkin vaihtoehto, meidän teetpää pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
Yeah, so late 1935, finished in 1936. I'll
Yeah.
put the bench down so that I can sit down also.
Yeah.
This, or maybe it's a bit narrow, but...
Yeah. Sounds in the doors in here also. Same.
Is it still original here?
Yes.
Yeah. And it's completely original.
Yeah. It's normal traction also.
Yeah.
One of the first ones with by Kone, but
Yeah.
but Yeah.
It should have been the one,
Yeah.
original one. That would have been in the both official languages there.
Yeah.
It's like it's a modernization but normalization.
Yeah.
And also the mirrors were very good for me.
Mm.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as we did, because it is also one of the best ones he has.
Yeah, that's